Check the HP pump oil level by observing the sight gauge located on the pump. Open the raw salt water supply to the unit. On pressurized feed systems, water may now be flowing through the water maker. Backwash and rinse media filter as required for initial startup or after long periods on standby. With fresh fill of media, multiple backwash and rinse sequences will be required. Place the RO unit's valves and switches in the position shown in Table 4.0. On initial startup, please only adjust the following valves and switches. V4, high pressure bypass valve in the cleaning open position. V5, cleaning valve in the normal flow position. V19, product option valve in the potable water position. The open close switch in the open position. System mode switch in the normal position. Media mode switch in the normal position. Open raw water supply for raw water feed line, then start the HP pump. At least 10 psi must be indicated on the discharge side of the pre-filter pressure gauge. To start the high pressure pump, push the green button on the high pressure switch. When flow through the reject discharge flow meter appears to be free of air bubbles, place the high pressure bypass valve V4 in the closed position by slowly turning the handle in the clockwise direction. Observe the system pressure on the discharge side of the RO membrane array pressure gauge. For seawater applications, indicated pressure should be preset to 800 psi. If the indication is other than 800 psi, adjust the nut on top of the back pressure regulator V3. Adjust the nut using a wrench until the discharge side of the RO membrane array pressure gauge indicates 800 psi. In conjunction with adjustment of the regulator, adjust the trim valve V9 to find the quietest operating point. For operation of the technical water option, ensure the first pass has been set correctly as per step 10. To produce technical water, turn V19 to the technical water position and V11 to the second pass position. Observe the product flow meter. Record the product flow after 5 hours of operation. This indication will provide the baseline used to determine RO membrane cleaning requirements. Observe the reject flow meter. Record the reject flow after the first 5 hours of operation.